Good morning, welcome to another cold day in the workshop. This is just a quick tip video on how to level feet. So I have made this lovely cheese board here. The feet are very nearly perfect, but not quite. I've also got some clamp marks on one of my feet here, so I need to get those off. But when I put it on a surface, it very, very slightly rocks that surface isn't level. So what do? Let's come in close and I'll show you. Okay, so get a surface in your workshop that you know is flat. This is my cast iron planer table, so pretty sure it's flat. So when I put my little thingy on here, there's a very, very tiny amount of rock. So, quite simple, get some double-sided tape, get some sandpaper, and just pop it down there. I think I'm gonna go this way around. So, bit of sticky tape on one side, bit of sticky tape on the other. Okay, now that's done, make sure there's nothing underneath. Okay, pop it down. Same on this one. Okay, now we've got a good flat surface to work from. Then I just get the piece that I want to be flat and just rub it back and forwards gently. It's important to note that the grain on my feet run back and forward. So I've got 320 grit sandpaper here. Hang on a minute. A bit more then. Tiniest rock still there. Keep going. Still a bit more. Make sure that sandpaper is nice and clean because it could put you out otherwise. Make sure the feet are clean. It's imperceptible. I can still hear a little tap, see? Not on this one. So I think we're just going to keep going, spin around. All done. So there is also another way that you could do this. Get something that you know is flat, like a nice thick piece of MDF or something like that. Put the sandpaper onto the MDF and then use the MDF as a big sanding board. You could do it like that, but I don't think that's quite as accurate. But ultimately, if you check it on a flat surface and it's flat, then it's flat. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, click and subscribe and all that jazz. See you in the next one. Bye.